Hi reception, Mr Geer here. Now this week we have been talking all about our emotions. Emotions. And today we're going to talk about sharing. Sharing. And how sharing makes us feel. So what I've done is I've got my picture of Rosie here, and I've got myself, and I've got some Lego. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to share it between Rosie and me, and then we're going to think about how each of us feels about it. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give Rosie 2 of the pieces, and I'm going to keep all of the rest. Okay? Now, who do you think is going to be happy about this? Me? Yeah, I'm happy because I've got lots and lots of toys. There we go. I'm very happy. Do you think Rosie's going to be happy with that? No? Why not? Oh, you're right. Yeah, Rosie's only got 2. So she's going to be sad. Because I've got a lot more than she does, haven't I? Now, what can I do to make it right? Oh, yeah. I could give her some of mine, couldn't I? Okay, here we go. I'll give her some of mine over there. There we go. Now, is that right? Oh. Rosie's got more than me now. So now, I'm sad, but she's happy. Is that right? No, it's not, is it? Tell you what we need to do. We need to make sure that we share the Lego out equally. Equally. Exactly. Now the best way to do that is to start them all in the middle and to give us each 1 at a time. And then hopefully I'll be able to turn this one over and we'll both be happy. Are you ready? Here we go. So, 1 for Rosie, 1 for me. 1 for Rosie, and 1 for me. And we'll keep going. 1 for her, and 1 for me. 1 for Rosie, 1 for me. 1 for Rosie, 1 for me, 1 for Rosie, and 1 for me. There we go. Let's just count and see how many we've got. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Mr Geer has 6. Let's see how many Rosie has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rosie has 6 as well. Is that equal? Yeah, it is. So Rosie's happy and Mr Geer's happy because what we have done is we have shared equally. Shared equally. Fantastic. And as there are only 2 of us, we have split the Lego in half because half means 2 equal groups. We've got an equal group here, we've got 6, and we've got 6 on this side as well. So we are now both happy. Now, what do you think will happen? Bear comes along. So he's going to sit here. Ah. Has he got any Lego? No. He's going to be sad, isn't he? He hasn't got any Lego at all. Oh dear. So we need to make sure that we share equally with Bear as well. Now, as I said before, the easiest thing to do is to give 1 each and keep going round. So we'll put them all together in the middle. And then we will share them equally, doing 1 each. So hopefully, Bear will then be happy at the end. Here we go. 1 for Rosie, 1 for me, 1 for Bear. 1 for Rosie, 1 for me, and 1 for Bear. 1 for Rosie, 1 for me, and 1 for Bear. 1 for Rosie, 1 for me, and 1 for Bear. Now, is that sharing equally? Let's find out. Let's count them all. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Rosie has 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the same so far. That's equal. Let's see if Bear's got the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're all equal. That means I'm happy, Rosie's happy, and Bear is now happy. Fantastic. We have shared equally. Now, is this half? No, it's not. Because half is only 2 groups. We now have 1, 2, 3 groups in ours. So it's not half anymore. It's actually thirds. Thirds. 3 groups. Now, what will happen when Jerry joins us as well? He's going to sit over here. Is Jerry going to be happy? Or is he going to be sad at the moment? He's going to be sad, isn't he? Because he doesn't have any Lego. Oh dear. What can we do to make Jerry happy? Let's hear what we can do. You're right. We can give him some of our Lego. We can share it equally. Fantastic. As I said before, let's put it all in the middle and do one each to make sure we're sharing equally. So let's put those in the middle, put those in the middle, put those in the middle, and we're going to go around giving everyone one at a time. So, one for Rosie, one for me, one for Bear, one for Jerry. One for Rosie, one for me, one for Bear, one for Jerry. One for Rosie, one for me, one for Bear, and one for Jerry. Do we think that's fair? Are they shared equally? Well, there's only one way to find out. Let's count them. Ready? I have got 1, 2, 3. Rosie has got 1, 2, 3. Bear has got 1, 2, 3. And Jerry has got 1, 2, 3. So now we're all equal. We've all got the same. So hopefully then that'll make Jerry happy. So we are all now happy because we all have exactly the same. So your challenge for this week at home is, if you've got some toys or maybe some sweets or anything you like at home, I would like you to practice sharing equally. Sharing equally to make sure that everyone is happy and that you all get exactly the same amount. Good luck.